Humidifiers.
Keep the air in your home moisturized all day with the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and aesthetically pleasing humidifier is packed with smart features that make it the perfect solution for improving the air quality in the dry areas of your home or office. Featuring a large 1-gallon water tank and adjustable steam knob, this humidifier is perfect for large areas such as workspaces, bedrooms, and other rooms up to 500 square feet. The ultrasonic Cool Mist technology safely moisturizes the air for up to 24 hours, allowing for more comfortable work areas and a perfect night's rest. Enjoy a comfortable environment with the included single and dual mist nozzles that dispense the exact amount of desired moisture and can be rotated 360 degrees. The automatic shutoff feature means you will never have to worry about low water levels again. Set the perfect mood and maximize your relaxation with an optional night light in blue, green, or red. This premium humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's extended 5-year warranty, so your satisfaction is guaranteed. The ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Powerful humidification. 4L ultrasonic humidifier in your room of 10 to 30 square meters or 108 to 323 square feet to relax your mind with continuous refreshingly cool mist. Adjustable mist. The dual 360 degrees nozzle and 3 mist speed settings help you create a soothing, comfortable environment that's just to your liking. One-touch button control design makes it easy to use. Quiet humidification. Patented noise reduction technology infuses your room with clean and fresh air at just 28 decibels. No disturbance to your relaxation, learning, working, and sleeping. Consistent humidity and amp. Comfort. Built-in humidistat accurately tells you the current relative humidity and maintains the indoor humidity at your preferable level for maximum relaxation. Easy access. 3.6 inches or 9 centimeters wide opening allows for refilling and cleaning the water tank with ease. Convenient handle provides easy access to move the water tank from room to room. Premium LED display clearly shows the real-time humidity level and settings. Sleep mode will turn off the LED display for a sound sleep at night.
Get the best sleep of your life while treating your skin and maintaining a healthy home with the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier from Everlasting Comfort. Effortlessly increase humidity in any room with the Humidifiers Ultrasonic Cool Mist, proven to improve sleep, allergies, and skin health by reducing airborne viruses and bacteria. The humidifier features a 6-liter, 1.6-gallon large capacity water tank with a super high mist output of 270 milliliters per hour, lasting up to 50 straight hours between refills. Unlike most ultrasonic humidifiers that come with a filter that needs replacing every couple of months, our unique humidifier is filterless, and it runs whisper quiet. Set it and forget it. And rest easy with its auto shut-off feature that automatically turns off your humidifier once it runs out of water. Plus, it includes a built-in essential oil tray. Simply add your favorite essential oils and fill your room with clean, pure, fresh-smelling aromas. Get the humidifier Kendall Jenner personally recommends in Allure magazine as one of her favorite beauty products. Relax and refresh with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Everlasting Comfort.